Welcome to KP Classes, 51 days course for NATA and JEE2 aspirants. Our 51-day promotional course is no longer available on YouTube. But don't worry, we have come up with the updated version of NATA 2024 as per as the new syllabus. For full access to the NATA and JEE2 course with our study material and test series, simply download our application and enroll today or go through the link in the description box.
KP Classes, dedicated to excellence.
In 2023, a lot of students benefited and appreciated our 51 days NATA course. Here at KP Classes, we are committed to providing top-notch education and guidance to help you excel in your exams. Our course videos and study material are meticulously curated to cover every aspect of the NATA and JEE2 exam, ensuring that you are fully prepared for success. So here are the key features that make our course stand out. First, the 51-day recorded lecture series that covers the complete syllabus of both NATA and JEE2 exams. You can access these lectures at your convenience, allowing you to study at your own pace. Second, online study material. Access our comprehensive online study material meticulously curated to ensure thorough preparation for your exams. From video tutorials to interactive quizzes, we have got you covered. Third, test series. Prepare with confidence using our test series, which includes sectional tests and mock tests. These tests are designed to simulate the exam environment, helping you familiarize yourself with the format and boost your confidence. Fourth, previous year papers in test format. Practice makes perfect. Gain valuable insights into the exam pattern and question format by solving previous year papers in test format. This will help you identify areas for improvement and refine your exam strategy. Fifth, 7 ebooks covering complete syllabus. Our course includes 7 ebooks that cover the complete syllabus of both NATA and JEE2 exams. These ebooks are a valuable resource for in-depth study and revision, ensuring you are fully prepared on exam day. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to ace your NATA and JEE2 exams with KP Classes. Enroll now and take the first step towards your dream career in architecture or engineering. See you in the class. With our course, you will receive expert guidance from experienced instructors, access to a wealth of resources, and the support you need to excel in your exam. To enroll, call, WhatsApp our counselor or 93544 20968 or click on the course link in description box.